quickly shift our focus to more we're tracking. This is breaking news that's just come in. We're learning that the police has taken BJP MP Tejasvi Surya into custody for protesting without permission at the metro station in Bengaluru. The BJP MP was protesting against the metro hike, which has been put on hold. This is the latest bit of breaking news update coming in from Bengaluru. Police action against BJP MP Tejasvi Surya. He's been taken into custody for protesting without permission. Now, he was essentially staging a protest against the metro hike that has been put on hold. We're also learning that some of these leaders were released later at the Jayanagar police station. But what we can tell you is that the police did indeed take BJP MP Tejasvi Surya along with a few other MLAs into custody for protesting without permission at the RV Road metro station in Bengaluru. So for protesting without permission is why BJP MP Tejasvi Surya was taken into custody by the police, is what we're learning. Now, do remember, this comes at a time that we've heard of a lot of objections being raised by several politicians in Bengaluru against the metro hike that has been put on hold. This metro hike has been put on hold by the central government, and yet we see these kind of protests play out on part of several BJP leaders protesting over the fare hike. This metro fare hike has been put on hold for the moment, is why the likes of Tejasvi Surya decided to take to streets. I do want to bring in Afreen Hussain into the conversation. Good morning, Afreen. What more can you tell us about the protest planned and the police action that followed?
A very good morning to you and our viewers as well. BJP MP Tejasvi Surya led a protest near the RV Road metro station in Bengaluru with empty trunks, hitting out against the Congress government in Karnataka. He was not given permission for the protest. He, along with the Jayanagar MLA, both of them were taken into custody by the police and later released. However, BJP MP Tejasvi Surya has said that he is going to protest against the Congress government with the empty trunks to show that the government does not have money for the people, and that's the reason why they're increasing the metro fares as well. You have to understand the political blame game that's going on here between the BJP and the Congress government in Karnataka. Both of them pointing fingers at each other for the fare hike in of the metro, while the state government says that it is in the hands of the union government to reduce or increase the fares. The union government, the BJP, says that it is the state government who is not doing anything to reduce the fares. It is a political blame game that has erupted now, and in the backdrop of all of this, the fares have been halted. Essentially, the fares should have been revised from today, that's February 9th, but it has been put on hold, and a meeting will take place at 4 p.m. today by the board directors, BMRCL directors, and it will be decided if the fares will be revised or if it will continue at the older prices.
Okay, reactions coming in as well. We have a brief comment by BJP MP Tejasvi Surya. We'll play that out and come back to you, Afreen. Stay on with us. Let's listen in.
It is very unfortunate that the state government has given a notice to me to not come here near the metro station, assemble, and to even address the media. This shows that the state government is afraid that their lies, their falsehoods will be exposed. I am not somebody who is going to be perturbed or disturbed by these police notices. If this is the attitude of the state government, they better wake up and smell the coffee. We will continue to raise our voice for better infrastructure for Bangalore. We will continue our fight to make Bengaluru a congestion-free.
Afreen continues to stay on with us. Afreen, we've heard that detailed comment coming in from BJP MP Tejasvi Surya. Now, he's been very vocal about this entire issue, but how does he plan to take this forward? We've already seen a crackdown on the kind of protest that he was attempting to stage. What's the plan in place overall at the moment?
Tejasvi Surya has been very vocal about making public transport affordable for the people, and this protest is also, he has also gone on with this protest highlighting the same. He is also travelling to Delhi. From what we know, he will be talking to the union government there. Earlier as well, he had released a post on X saying that he has spoken with the union minister there, and that is when the BMRCL halted the price revision. So he's also also traveling to Delhi from what we know, so it remains to be seen what he's going to talk there and what is going to happen further. Like I already mentioned, there is going to be a meeting at 4 p.m. today of the BMRCL directors to see if the fare hike should be conducted, or if it should be, or if the metro prices should be kept at the original prices that were there. Remember that the price hike is 5%, so it will make a 1 rupee to 10 rupee difference, 5 rupee difference in the original metro fares that it is right now. So it remains to be seen what the BMRCL decides at 4 p.m. today. All eyes are on the meeting that's going to happen at 4 p.m.
Okay, many thanks, Afreen, for joining us with that bit of update that's just come in. Do remember, BJP MP Tejasvi Surya has also spoken of how the Congress in Karnataka is unnecessarily pinning the blame onto the central government after hiking the fare on its own part. So that's the kind of back and forth that's essential.